Sir, if you come up to the witness stand to my right, please. And once you get up there, raise your right hand to be sworn in, please.
Please swear the testimony you're about to give in this matter before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right, have a seat, sir. Tell me your name, please.
Frank Fracello.
And spell the last name.
Frascello.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you. Mr. Fracello, where are you currently employed?
I'm sorry?
Where are you currently employed?
I am currently working at a local Waukesha County Fire Department.
Okay. And in September of 2022, where were you employed?
The Waukesha County Sheriff's Department.
How long were you employed as a Waukesha County Sheriff's deputy?
I was working there for a total of 10 years.
Okay. And on September 9th of 2022, what were your duties that day?
I was a patrol deputy.
Okay. And were you asked to respond to a call in the area of Orthopedic Associates of Wisconsin on Gulf Road?
Yes.
What was the information that you had at the time you were asked to respond there?
That a couple workers in the area believed they had found a body.
Okay. And you were dispatched there at about 10:54 a.m.?
That sounds right, yes.
Okay. When you arrived there, who do you make contact with?
There were a couple of workers that I had met with, and they explained that they were putting up no trespassing signs.
Okay. And were they able to show you where the body was actually located?
Yes, it was located in, they pointed it out to me, and it was located in a tree wooded area.
Okay. I'm going to show you what's already been admitted as exhibit number 2. We could show that to the publish for the jury, please. Are you familiar with this area, Mr. Fracello?
Yes.
It should be on the screen in front of you there, too. Okay. Is this the area that you were dispatched to?
Yes.
Okay. And I see some crime scene tape up there. Who placed that crime scene tape?
I assisted in placing the crime scene tape, but I don't know who else was assisting me.
Okay, that's fine. But when you got there, no crime scene tape is present?
Correct.
Okay. And which direction did the workers kind of lead you to show you where the body was? Was it on this side, or was it on the north side near the golf course?
Initially, it was on the north side by the golf course.
Okay, I'm going to show you what's been previously marked as exhibit number 3. Is this the other side that we are looking at here?
This would be a view from the north side of the golf course.
Okay. And could you please mark on the screen where you were led and where ultimately you entered the wooded area, if you can show that for the jury?
I don't recall exactly where on this photo I was.
If you can give us a general area of where you would have entered the wooded area.
Probably would have been approximately here, I believe.
Okay, and I think that's 3D? B? Okay. So you entered the area there. Did you have one of the workers come with you?
Yes, I believe his name was Nicholas, was the one who brought me and showed me from this area.
Mr. Fracano led you into the wooded area?
Yes. Okay.
And as you approach that wooded area, what, if anything, do you observe?
So I believed I had seen a body, and so what I did was, rather than entering from that side, because it looked like it was closer to the tree line from the south side of the road, so I went back to my squad car to get my camera to take photos, and then that's when I went around the other side to take the photos.
Okay, so we're going to go back to exhibit number 2. And you entered, actually, the woods from this side of the area?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And did you have those workers come with you this time on the south side of the woods, or did you go by yourself?
I don't recall if I had them come with me at that time.
Okay.
To point it out to me, because I remember, I would have remembered in relation to where I was from the north side of the road.
Okay. And then did you take some photographs yourself?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to show just for the witness first. Exhibit number 4. Do you recognize that photo?
Yes.
Okay, and I'm also going to show you exhibit number 5. Do you recognize that photo?
Yes.
Okay. Are these true and accurate depictions of the photographs you took on September 9th of 2022?
Yes.
Okay, I would move exhibits 4 and 5 into evidence and permission to publish, please.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, they're admitted.
Okay, so
Go ahead.
starting with Exhibit 4, we'll just wait for that to get on the jurors' screens. Okay, what are we looking at here?
So this is a view of the scene from the south side of the tree line. I was standing a little bit further back to capture like where I was, the general area of where I was looking.
Okay, and if we can zoom into this photograph, please. Hold on first. At this point in the photo, can you see where the body is located?
Yes.
Okay, and I'm going to zoom in now. A little bit further, please, and if we can move over. There we go. If you can show us where the body is.
Circle it.
Yes, please. Okay. What are you able to visually see from this photo? What part of the body are you able to visually see?
Sure. So the first thing that stands out to me is legs appearing to be wearing jeans.
Okay. And that's kind of the bluish color that you're seeing on the screen?
Yes. There's one tree kind of in the middle of where I circled, and then right here would be the.
Those would be the legs?
Legs.
Okay. If we can please preserve that, Madam Clerk. 4A, yes. Now I'm going to direct your attention to Exhibit 5. Is this a closer up picture of the same area?
Yes.
Okay, and now you're able to really see the body that has been located?
Yes.
Okay. Did you zoom your camera in, or did you physically move closer to the area where the body was?
So I used the zoom function on the camera because I did not want to get too close for the purpose of not disturbing any potential evidence.
Okay, and from here, you can tell that this is a body?
Correct. I knew upon seeing it was human.
Okay, not an animal, not some other...
I did not believe this was anything but a person.
Okay. If I can show you Exhibit 4 again, zoomed out. Sorry, not that much. Approximately how far back from the tree line are you standing here when you take this photo, if you remember?
I would say maybe it's probably 10 to 20 feet away.
Okay. And as you walked in that direction of the tree line, were you able to immediately see the body, or did it take some careful looking?
From what I recall, I had to get up to approximately this point to be able to see it.
Okay. And if you turned around, so if you're facing the woods and then you turn around and you look towards Gulf Road, were you able to see cars passing on Gulf Road, if you recall?
I remember that there was tall grass behind me, but I did not take any mental notes of whether I could see the road or not.
Sure. But this is quite a bit away from the roadway.
Correct.
All right. Now, I'm going to show just for the witness Exhibits 6, please. Do you recognize Exhibit 6?
Yes.
Okay. And is that the crime scene tape that you and other deputies placed?
Yes.
Okay. I would move Exhibit number 6 into evidence and permission to publish.
Any objection?
No objection.
6 is admitted.
Okay, this is the crime scene tape that we're looking at, and did you actually use one of those no trespassing signs that was placed by Mr. Fricano to place the crime scene tape?
It appears so.
Okay, and you blocked off all the way around to the other side of the golf course?
Yes.
Okay, why was it important to keep that entire perimeter blocked off from the public?
So one of the reasons is there's the public golf course on the other side. We didn't want anybody coming into the crime scene again to disturb any potential evidence, and obviously seeing something that they're not a part of.
Okay, and when you arrive, you're the only deputy that arrives first, right?
I was the initial deputy, correct.
Okay, and when you get there, you decide this is a possible crime scene?
Yes.
Who did you call to make sure that other individuals were going to show up and assist you?
Sure. So at the time, Lieutenant Larsoul was the duty supervisor, so she was notified, as well as so it was her determination to call other resources.
Okay, can you spell Lieutenant Larsoul's last name for us, please?
Larsuel.
Okay. And who else would then arrive on the scene once you asked for those additional resources?
Our detective bureau.
Okay. And would they also have the medical examiner's office come out?
Eventually.
Okay. You were just the first person to the scene. After that, the whole troops come in?
Yes.
Okay. And it was your responsibility to make sure that between when you arrive and when the next 20 officers arrive, no one touches or disturbs the crime scene?
Correct.
Okay. No further questions. Thank you.
Cross-examination.
Thank you, Your Honor. If you were standing on the frontage road, you can see the south side of the tree line, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and in the pictures it showed that the field that was between the frontage road and the tree line was probably knee high in a lot of places. Is that correct?
I'm sure in some places it could have been.
Okay, but other than that, it wasn't a prairie where there were high grasses or anything, correct?
It did not go above my head.
Okay. Did it go above your waist in any areas?
I don't recall.
Okay. You saw the picture of the crime scene tape, correct?
Yes.
And the crime scene tape is probably about between waist and knee high, correct?
Sure.
And you don't recall anything being higher than your waist, though, correct?
I didn't take measurements of the grass. No, I can't recall that.
Okay. When you were standing on the north side of the tree line, the golf course is actually groomed almost right up to the tree line, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So if a golfer had hit their ball into the woods there, they'd probably have to be pretty bad since it's behind a green. But it was, in other words, strike that. The golf course went right up to the tree line, correct?
Yes, I believe so. Yep.
And in your Exhibit 4, that was the picture you took from the south side looking north where the body was, correct? Do you need that pulled up?
Sure.
Okay, can you pull up Exhibit 4? If you could pull up Exhibit 4. You can actually see the golf course through this picture, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so it wasn't thick enough that it wasn't solid that you couldn't see through this wooded area, correct?
Correct, I can see through the wooded area.
Would you estimate that the thickness of the tree line there is about 30 to 40 feet?
I would say that would be generally accurate. I didn't measure it though.
I don't expect it, but you could, like this picture, you could see through that wooded area.
Yes, I can see through it.
Okay. How close did you personally get to the body?
At the time of those photos, I was, like I said, about 10 to 20 feet away. I zoomed in with my camera to take the pictures.
Okay.
You did take other photos where you got up close to the body, is that correct?
I don't remember taking any, like right up on the body pictures.
Okay, you got close enough where you could see what the individual was wearing, though, correct?
Correct.
And you could tell that there was that the person was wearing jeans, correct?
Yes.
And that there was a bra on the person?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Can you pull up 4 again? What? 4. Thank you. Again, this is a pic. Which one is that? Oh, okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, any redirect?
I'm going to leave Exhibit 4 up, sorry. You said this is taken about 10 to 20 feet away from the edge of the tree line? Exhibit number 4?
Far away from the body.
From the body, okay. And would you agree if you had not been directed to the body by the individuals that had already found it, it would be difficult to find?
It needed to be pointed out to me, yes.
Okay, thank you. I don't have any other questions.
All right, any recross?
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you, and you are excused, sir. Thank you.
Sorry.
Next witness.
Thank you. The state will call Detective Conrad.
So come on up to the witness stand to my right and remain standing once you get up there, please.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give in this matter before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, have a seat, sir. Tell us your full name, please.
First name Mark, M-A-R-K. Last name Conrad, C-O-N-R-A-D.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you. Detective Conrad, where are you employed?
With Waukesha County Sheriff's Department.
And how long have you been employed there?
Since September of 2012.
Okay, and do you have any special responsibilities in addition to your role as a detective?
Yes, I am a member of our unmanned aerial systems or drone unit.
Okay, and did you have to take special training to obtain some type of certifications to be on that unit?
Yes, part of the responsibility is getting it's called a Part 107 license with FAA to fly a drone.
Okay, and how many members of the drone unit are there?
I believe there's 15 approximately.
Okay, and each of you may respond to different calls as needed by the Waukesha County Sheriff's Department or other local municipalities?
Correct.
Okay, and on September 9th of 2022, were you working both as a detective and in that special capacity and the drone unit?
I was, yes.
Okay. Were you asked to respond to the area of Gulf Road near the Orthopedic Associates of Wisconsin building?
Yes, I was.
Why were you asked to respond there?
Both as a detective, and I brought the drone equipment with to document the scene.
Okay. At the time that you're dispatched to respond there, why did they think the drone unit may be helpful?
It's an outdoor scene, which tends to be a larger area, and the drone equipment was somewhat new at the time, and it was a tool to use to take a broad scale image.
Okay. And so ultimately you took several, once the drone is up in the air, you can take still photographs?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to show you what's been previously marked as exhibit number 2. This is one of those photos that you took?
Oh, sorry, it just turned on. Yes, it is.
Okay, and it's really hard to see, but up at the top, there's actually a date and time stamp. Can you tell me what that date and time stamp is?
September 9th, 2022, 13:19:03 hours.
Okay, so that'd be 1:19:03 p.m.?
Correct.
Okay. And where do you fly these drones from?
You can fly them anywhere. We have a remote. Generally, we're near a vehicle, or we have a trailer that we use where we can charge things, plug things in. We can look at a larger monitor.
Okay. And if you're looking at this photo, actually on the left side of the photo near the driveway, is that where your drone trailer was located?
Yes, that on the left side there is the trailer. Right below that white car is where I would be.
Okay. So just above the exhibit sticker?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So you're standing within that trailer, and you're actually flying the drone, taking these photographs. Why is it important in an investigation to get some of these further away photographs of the entire area?
An elevated view can give you a different perspective than what you have on the ground. You can get an overall understanding of a crime scene.
Okay, and I'm going to show you what's also been previously marked and admitted as Exhibit 3. This is also one of the photographs you took?
Correct.
And this is from the north side, looking south to Gulf Road?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to show you what, just the witness first, what has not yet been admitted, Exhibits 7 and Exhibit 8. So first we'll start with Exhibit 7. Can you see that?
I can.
Okay, and then Exhibit 8?
I can see that as well.
Okay, are those both photographs that you took using the drone?
They are.
Okay, I would move to admit Exhibit 7 and Exhibit 8 and permission to publish.
Any objection as to 7 or 8?
No objection to either, Your Honor.
All right, they're admitted. You may show them to the jurors.
We'll start with Exhibit number 7. Detective, this is the same area, but just a little bit further, showing the driveway.
Correct.
Okay. And then exhibit number 8. What are we looking at here?
So it's just out of frame, but the drone trailer would be on that driveway to the left, and this is a more of a straight down view of the field that's to the south of the wooded area where the more focused crime scene was located.
Okay, and one of the downsides of these overhead photos is it doesn't necessarily give us great detail about incline or maybe the scale of the land rising and falling.
Right, the elevation is harder to see on a 90-degree down than it would be from the ground or at more of an angle.
Okay, and you see 2 individuals there kind of in that grassy area. Those are detectives from the Waukesha County Sheriff's Department?
I know we had, I believe Waukesha Police Department was there as well assisting.
Okay.
So I don't know if one of them might be from that agency, but those are 2 investigators.
Sure. And the crime scene tape has been placed up there and the scene has been secured at that point?
Correct.
And what was the time of this photograph?
That shows 13:20:33 or 1:20 p.m.
Okay. And so the drone was deployed after the 1 o'clock hour to take these photographs, and you took, these are just a sampling, you took actually a number of photographs of this area, right?
Correct.
Do you know what the status of the body that had been located? Was it still within the woods when you were taking drone photos?
Yes, it was.
Okay. Thank you. I don't have any other questions.
All right, cross-examination.
Yes, Judge, I'll take the cross.
Okay.
So, Officer, you are running a drone in the area, true?
Correct.
And the drone was filming from above Orthopedics Associates, the parking lot, the golf course, around the wooded area, true?
Correct.
The golf road, frontage road, true?
Correct.
The freeway, true?
I don't know if the freeway was captured.
And then you were just going in circles around the wooded area, true?
Correct.
If I was to show you a surveillance drone, would you be able to recognize it if I played it, if there's one that you,
Sure. I could attempt to.
I'm showing you is marked as exhibit number 402. Defense exhibit number 402. Does that appear to be your drone
Yes.
surveillance tape that you took?
Yes.
Judge, this video is approximately, not long, about 3 hours and
No, 3 minutes.
3 minutes and 55 seconds, and I'd like to play for the jury.
No objection.
All right, so you're asking it to be admitted?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's admitted. Go ahead.
Can the jury see it on the screen? Again, this is drone footage that you took, correct?
Correct.
I'm stopping this at 150 of your drone footage. Are you, see my marker here?
Yes.
Are you aware, or was anybody aware at that time that that is Mr. Paul's pickup truck parked in the parking lot?
I was not aware of that.
1 second, excuse me, Mr. Gallo, because you're stopping it at 205, actually, correct?
Oh, yes, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, I was not aware.
And again, you weren't aware that this was Mr. Paul's pickup truck?
No, I was not.
Officer, that drone image that the jury just saw, did that actually depict the way that scene looked like on September 9, 2022?
Yes.
I have no further questions, Judge.
All right, read direct.
No.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excuse, sir. Next.
Judge, we have, the next witness has a lot of our evidence, so we just need a moment to get that.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you. So let's do this. Someone's going to wheel in some evidence or bring evidence in.
I think we have all the evidence over here, Judge, we just need to get it. Oh, if we could take our morning break, Judge.
All right, let's take a break, folks, all right? About, I'll say 10 minutes. We'll see how long it lasts, but we'll take a break. A comfort break, we'll call it. Thank you. You can leave your notebooks right on your seats, right? All right, thank you.